Hi, I'm Haley Lanter, registered dietitian and diabetes education clinic coordinator for North Oaks Health System, here to help you live well with diabetes. In our fast-paced world, it can be challenging to maintain a diabetes-friendly diet, but it's not impossible. Watch along and learn how to prepare quick, easy, delicious, high-fiber and low-carb meals and snacks to help you keep your blood sugar in check on the go. One of my favorite things to teach my patients about is the benefits of fiber. There are so many great fiber-rich foods that we can include in our diet, and now we are going to make a really awesome high-fiber salad with an apple cider vinegar dressing. So let's get started. In this bowl, I have some olive oil, a little salt and pepper, some stone ground mustard, as well as a little bit of apple cider vinegar. So we're gonna go ahead and whisk that together, just so it's combined pretty well. And then we're gonna add some minced shallot. I love shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can absolutely use any type of onion that you would like. So we're gonna put that in there. Make sure that is well combined, and then that's your dressing. It's done. So now we are going to add some mixed greens. You can also use another type of salad green if you'd like to just use spinach. You can do that too. Then we're gonna throw in some drained chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. After that, we will take some artichoke hearts. These are super rich in fiber, so I love adding them on top of salads, sandwiches, anything like that. Then we have some sliced hard-boiled egg. You can also grate these. That's a really fun way to add eggs to your salad instead of just the regular hard-boiled eggs. And then lastly, we're going to top it with some sliced avocado. And I'll take my salad tossers and just kind of toss everything around so that the dressing coats everything in the salad. And again, we have so many high fiber things in here, and that egg adds a little bit of protein. You can also add more eggs if you'd like. All right, and that is it. It's beautiful, full of color, and full of fiber. I hope this demonstration has taken away some of the guesswork for you when it comes to diabetes management and healthy eating. If you have any questions about North Oaks Diabetes Education Services and how we can help you, please give us a call at 985-230-6117, or you can feel free to visit our website at northoaks.org/diabetes.